Kezzies Corner. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and I'm so happy that you found my channel, and I hope you get to stay if you like what you see, which I hope you do. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then simply press the notification bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. Today's video is going to be a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I've already done stuff on my face, as you can see. So basically it will be linked down below what products I used for my face. But what we're gonna be focusing in this tutorial is our eyes.
And then the rest of my face.
You'll see
Anyways, I don't know what I have in mind, we'll see.
But before we go ahead and get started with the video, I would like to say that I am going to be doing my last Christmas giveaway over here, right here on YouTube. If you didn't know, for the past month, I've been doing like Christmas giveaways up on my Facebook page or my Instagram. But today I wanted to I always wanted, I had in mind that the last giveaway that I will have would be definitely on my YouTube channel, because obviously YouTube is where I started from, and I just want to say thank you to everybody, and this is just like a little thank you to you guys. So there's going to be 3 winners because there's 3 different prizes that you could win. So the first prize that you could win is over here. This is thanks to Sudio. Sudio is a headphone and earphone company, and basically I've collaborated with them and I've tested out some of their products, and I wanted to definitely incorporate them in one of my Christmas giveaways. I already had one up on my Instagram page where I gave away this same pair of headphones, but I also wanted to obviously give out one then on my YouTube. So this is the Sudio Regent headphones. I have this very pair and I use them to edit, and I just love them. They are wireless, they connect via Bluetooth, and we also have a microphone, and they're just amazing. They also come with like these caps which you can exchange, so they will look cool with the marble effect. So yeah, that is one gift, and I would like to thank Sudio for this. And the second gift that I have over here for a second winner would be these eyelashes from the Glam Timez. I basically tried these lashes up in my Christmas makeup tutorial. I'm also going to be using them for today, but I just love them. I think that they are just like so easy to apply, and they just give such a nice looking effect, a nice looking effect to your makeup look. So yeah, and these I have the headphones I will be giving out, and the other gift I will be giving out. But this one, they offered that they could ship out this gift to you. So yeah, so obviously if you win this gift, then you'd have to give me your address, and then I'll provide it to Glam Timez and they will ship it over to you, just so you know. But yeah, this is the second gift. And then the third gift is this one right here. You can win 3 of these lipsticks from Pixi Beauty. So basically we have over here the shade, let me tell you, Really Rose, Evening Rose, and Au Natural. So yeah, these are the 3 lipsticks that you could win for the third prize. So basically those are the prizes. So all you have to do to be in the chance of winning either one of these giveaways is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and also comment down below with the hashtag KezziesCorner XMAS Giveaway. I'll leave the hashtag down below, and also the rules as well down below. And also as a bonus entry, which means that I will enter your name twice in the giveaway, is if you share the post on an Insta story or a Facebook story, then you will be entitled to a bonus entry as well. So yeah. So I forgot to mention some itty bitty things about the giveaway. When you share the post on Insta story or Facebook story, make sure to tag me in it at KezziesCorner, basically, so I would know that you're sharing the post, so that I can enter your name twice. And also the giveaway will close on the 2nd of January, so I will be announcing the winner on my video of 2nd January. So the giveaway closes around like 9 AM on 2nd January, and then I will announce the winner on the 2nd of January on my video. So yeah, that's what I had to tell you guys, because I forgot to mention that in my video. So yeah, bye. So I would like to thank again everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. But I just wanted to tell you that about my giveaway before we started, and I hope you enjoy my content, and I hope you get to stay. And also I wanted to ask, since like Vlogmas is going to come to an end, like my last video is going to be up on the 30th of December if I'm not mistaken, for Vlogmas week 4, right? Week 4, yeah. So what do you think? Do you think I should continue doing vlogs, doing weekly vlogs? Let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to hear what you guys have to say about that.
So yeah, so let's get started.
Let's go ahead and get started with the video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
What am I always do this.
I always think that I'm going to end the video and I'm just going to start the video. Anyways, let's go ahead to the makeup tutorial now. Okay, so let's go. Let's use the Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill palette. And the first shade I'm going to be using from this beautiful, gorgeous palette is called Silk Creme. I'm just applying this using my Milani blending brush, and I'm just applying it all over my crease. I'm being messy with this shade, as I'm going to be also with this shade right here, which is called Buns. And I'm just applying it again with my Milani blending brush as well, and just being messy again, and applying it all over the crease. Just make sure that you blend all the colors, and if you have hooded eyes like me, just make sure that everything is blended nicely. The next shade I'm going to be using is this beautiful blue shade. I don't know why it came so purpley on the video, but it's like a dark blue shade. But anyways, it's called Twerk, and I'm applying this using an eBay flat brush. And yeah, just applying it all over my lids. And I'm going to go back and forth with this shade because, you know, to make it more pigmented, you have to do so. You have to go back and forth. Oh yeah, look at that face. So yeah, I'm going to go in back again with the Buns shade, and I'm going to be using the Jessup 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush. And I'm just going to intensify the crease sort of shade, like the line between the Twerk shade and the Buns shade, to intensify it a little bit more. And then I'm going to use the shade Abyss, and I'm going to use it on the outer corner, and I'm applying this using my Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease brush. And then I'm going to be taking again the Jessup brush that I used before and just blending those two shades together. So I'm blending away Abyss and Twerk nicely. So then I go in again with the shade called Twerk, and I'm just intensifying it again. And finally I'm using Beam, and I'm applying this in my inner corner and on my brow bone using my Zoeva Luxe pencil brush. And using the same brush, I'm applying Buns on my waterline, and then I'm using the lashes from the Glam Timez, which are in the giveaway. Okay, so I'm going to stop the voiceover over here and continue basically.
You know, talking myself, you know, as in myself talking.
Never mind, you get what I mean. No more voiceover, but I'm going to just continue the video like this. I just needed to concentrate when I was doing my eye makeup. And also I kind of want to tell you that this is the first time that I have worn lashes without any eyeliner. I had a struggle with this one, but this one went on immediately. But then this one, it was my fault because like my hands shake. And then like the ending is like wasn't sticking properly. Anyways, yeah, you just get my gist. I'm just happy that I did this using the Glam Timez lashes. That was my first time applying lashes on my own without any eyeliner, so I'm really happy. I'm just going to use some mascara to just, you know, just put together my lashes and the fake lashes together. I'm just going to be using the Rimmel Volume Colorist Mascara. Yeah, this is Rimmel, right? Yes. And I'm just going to do that. With these lashes, you technically don't even have to apply mascara because they're already volumized, sort of. Like, I hope these look good. Like, they hope they do look good, right? I know this is a bit wonky on the side, as you can see, like it's a little bit up, but I'm just gonna leave it like this because, but this one went on amazingly, but this one is just, you know, it's not staying as much as like I wanted it to, but you know, we're just going to leave it there. So let's just continue and finish up this look. So I'm going to be using the Sleek Solstice palette. I haven't reached out for this in a very long time, and I thought, you know, why not reach out for it? And I'm just going to apply this one and this one. I'm going to try and like mix them together, and let's see what highlights we will get. I'm just going to mix them together really. So 1, 2, oh yes. And we get that glow. Like, I know that I just, you know, did highlighter first before I did some bronzer, but you know, we'll get there. We'll get to that stage together. But I just want to apply some highlight first, and then we'll just go ahead and just apply again, so it's not a problem. For bronzer, I think, let's see, what am I going to use? So this is the Essence Shading Powder, and you have a bronzer and a highlighter. I never use the highlighter, but we're just going to be using the bronzer. And as you know, I like using my powder brush for this. Well, it's a powder bronzer brush. So tap, tap, tap. And we just, you know, put a bit on our forehead as well. When I forgot to highlight my nose, so I'm just going to use the highlighter that came with this one. So like that. It's sort of more subtle and more natural compared to the other one. For blush, I don't think I'm going to apply any blush. I'm just going to stay like this. Now, I had in mind that I would use this, but I think this would be too much. Maybe we could use ColourPop Aquarius 2. Wait, is this a gloss? No, it's not. I think I'm going to use this because I think this would be too much. Maybe we could use both of them. I don't know, we could try. Let's try with this one first and then we'll try with the other one after. So it's like two looks, like one look and two lip choices. But this is Aquarius. I think this one would be what I would go for first. This is sort of the first look, I think. So this is what I would usually pair this makeup look with. Something like this, but I still want to try out the other one. But this is, I guess, one of the lipstick looks, so I might as well take a photo like this. Okay, and because in my last video of my Christmas makeup tutorial, I had said that I would try and do a look with this lipstick, the Rimmel Stay Satin For Sure, in the shade For Sure. I'm going to see how it looks. Let's see. Maybe it will look good. These smell so good. Like so good. I love lipstick. They're so good. I like it as well. Let's just give it a chance to dry up a bit. I mean, these are a satin finish, so they're not going to dry up like matte. But let's just give them a little bit of time. This looks more festive, I guess, like a bit different as well, and it could be like a fun makeup look that you could wear to a New Year's Eve party. But like the other one there is with the nude lipstick, and yes, you have like this color going on in your eyes, but you can use it down with your lips. So yeah, I guess using two different lip choices for two different reasons is good. I hope you like it. So yeah, this is my second look using this lipstick from Rimmel, and my first look was using ColourPop in Aquarius 2 for my first look. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below which look you prefer, either look 1 or look 2. So don't forget to participate in my giveaway. Remember that there are 3 winners, and to participate all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and also comment with the hashtag KezziesCorner XMAS Giveaway. You could win either 3 lipsticks from Pixi, a pair of headphones from Sudio, or else the lashes I have on today from Glam Times, the Glam Times. I will also link down everything that I used and from where you can also get the products, like the lashes example. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And before I go, I would like to say a happy new year to you all and to your loved ones. I hope that 2018 was good for you, and I hope that you have a lovely 2019 as well. And I just want to say one more time, thank you so much to all your amazing support. You guys have really just made my day. You make me smile by reading your comments, and I just want to thank you so very much. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!